You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word from Italian correctly. If you want to learn more useful pronunciations from Italian or famous places, stay tuned. It's pronounced in Italian as maggiore. It means large or major, so the big one. There's a lake that's called that way in Italy. Also churches and squares, as in piazza maggiore. Essentially the double GI is like a J, alright? GI, the I is not really pronounced, so replace the G at the center with a J, maggiore, and stress on that J syllable because there's two G's, so maggiore. How to pronounce Italian pronunciation? Maggiore, like maggiore, you could say in English, maggiore. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.